Good evening everyone. My name is Suresh and today my topic name is exception handling in Java. So let's talk about this topic in details. Before going to exception handling, we know what is the exception. The exception is the unwanted condition or situation which leads the abnormal termination of the program. Means the exception is the situation where the termination of the program stop. Means program doesn't run. Then next is exception handling. Exception handling. To handle this termination, the Java provide the exception handling topic. There are mainly two types of exceptions. The first is check exception and second is uncheck exceptions. The check exceptions check at the compile time. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. Then next is uncheck exception. Unchecked exception are found at the runtime. For example, array out of board exception, then arithmetic exception, index string index out of board exception, etc. Then next is the what is the default exception. When you don't write any exception handling code, what it happens when the user don't use the exception handling code, the Java provides the automatic exception provide the automatic exception handling, which is called as default exception handling. So what is the default exception handling? The default exception handler is the part of JVM which shows the errors on the console, which shows the on the console. Then how it show on the console? First JVM check the where the exception can be occur. Then JVM create the object of that exception, and object of that exception, and it check the whether the exception handling code is present. If no exception handling code is present, then the JVM will automatically call the default exception handler, and which shows the exception on the console. The next is the what are the exceptions. The first is the arithmetic exception. The arithmetic exception is arise when the arithmetic condition is false. For example, we divide the n number by 0, it shows the arithmetic exception. Then next is the array out of bound exception. The array out of bound exception is occur when you put the index of the array index which is not included in that array. For example, if you create the array of size 5 and we want the index at 7, then it shows the exception like array out of bound exception. Thank you.